Saturday. It's a bit of a rubbish one today, weather-wise. It's really miserable. So we're just kind of winging it, really. We've parked in Kemnay and we're walking towards Fetternear, where there's a big ruined bishop's palace. But it's already sort of like 1:30. We've kind of stalled a lot today. We've been to the post office. We popped into work for Mattia's experiments, and then we just sat in the car for a while having lunch and kind of not really wanting to leave into the rain. But here we are. It's not so bad, but anyway, we're braving it. We're out. We will do something with our day. So yeah, join us on a very wet exploration of the Kemnay area. The weather's just got progressively worse throughout the day, so I think we're just going to call it a day. So we've been to see Fetternear, which was very cool. I'm glad we went to see that. But yeah, I think anything that we do is just going to be a little bit miserable. We won't be able to fly the drone. We won't be able to like stay anywhere and properly enjoy it, like take our time. So I think what we're gonna, well, I don't think this is what we're gonna do. What we are gonna do is we're just gonna like drive on a little loop from Kemnay and scope out a couple of standing stones and stone circles that we want to come back to one day, and then we're just going to go back to Aberdeen, head back into the city, and probably I'll just play Tomb Raider for the rest of the day. I think this is definitely a weekend worth staying inside, but we'd already booked the car, so I don't know, you kind of feel like you have to use it to go out and do something. Glad we got some fresh air. But anyway, I'm rambling. This is goodbye from Small Adventures this week, and I look forward to seeing you next time.